Esenza intetho engobume bephondo, ikulubaphathiswa yephondo iMntla Koloni ugqirha Zamani Sol, income igalelo leenkampani zeminxeba i-Vodacom ne-MTN ngokutshintsha iimpilo zabantu basemaphandleni. Ngokudibeneyo izinkampani zibinze ngezigidi zeerandi 410 million ekugxumekeni ubuxhakaxhaka be-internet nobubone kuphucuka nenkonzo yothutho lwezigulana ngonxibelelwano olusulungekileyo.
Central region has invested 230 million rand in our province this financial year to expand broadband coverage in deep rural areas, upgrading base station sites and network resilience. Madam Speaker and honorable members, MTN also built 5 new connectivity sites for the Northern Cape. This year, MTN is planning to build 25 new connectivity sites and modernize 48 sites in our province at an estimated cost of 180 million. Madam Speaker and honorable members, in total, Vodacom and MTN will invest about 410 million rand this financial year in our province. Honorable Speaker and honorable members, the implementation of the digital call centers for EMS in partnership with Vodacom in Uppington and Kimberley has seen drastic increase in the number of calls from an average of 3,000 calls to 10,000 calls per month. We also note the improvement from 45% to 85% in the management of calls for ambulances. I just want to explain this point. From every 100 calls calling for ambulance response, 85 of those people got ambulances. I'm certain this is the highest in the country, which is an improvement from 45% to 85%. So if 100 people phone now requesting for ambulances, 85 of the 100 will get ambulances. That's a major achievement in improving quality of public health.